Hello everybody, welcome to Kantan Food by Satoshi. I got many requests to show how to use tofu. Tofu is made with soybeans. It's a multi-purpose ingredients. It's nutritious, good for your health. I will show a variety of dishes of tofu. Today is the first one. The most simplest way, Hiyayakko. Tofu, there are two types, firmer one and soft one. Firmer one is called MOMEN tofu, and soft one is called KINU tofu, which is better for Hiyayakko. It depends on your preference. MOMEN tofu is firmer, KINU tofu is softer, and the surface is very smooth. Texture is very smooth, soft. If you like firm texture, please use MOMEN tofu, firm tofu. And if you like soft, smooth texture, please use silk KINU tofu. Today, I will use this KINU tofu. Basically, you don't have to wash tofu, but to taste better, I recommend to rinse this tofu a little bit, just a little bit, just to cleanse the water in this package and remove excess moisture of the tofu with paper towel like this. You don't have to press, it's just remove excess moisture outside of surface of this tofu to enjoy real tofu flavor and cut into your favorite size. I think the half size is easy to eat for one person, I think. And place on your favorite dish. The simplest way of Hiyayakko is chopping green onion. First chop green onion like this. I'm just chopping one stalk of green onion and grate ginger a little bit. Not so much. You don't need so much. If you have tube style one, it's okay. Please use it. I think this is enough for one person. Then sprinkle some BONITO flakes. Put green onion on top. And grated ginger. Pour soy sauce. So, this is the simplest way of Hiyayakko. So let's go to the next Hiyayakko. It's in hot summer day in here in Japan, in such hot day. How about spicy food? I will make spicy Hiyayakko. Put some SRIRACHA sauce in your small bowl, like this. And add sesame oil and soy sauce here and combine very well. It's mixed. Then pour out over the sauce on your tofu. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top and green onion for garnish. Your spicy Hiyayakko is ready. So these two are very simple side dish. Next one is also good for main dish. It's reishabu Hiyayakko. You know shabu shabu? Shabu shabu is a hot pot dish. Put sliced meat into a hot pot and swish, swish, swish. Reishabu is that cold version. So first, slice some onion. I love onion. And you don't have to use so much onion. It's not sad. Like this. I think it's enough. And put these sliced onion into water to reduce the spiciness of onion. If you have time, you don't have to put in water. Just put on a plate as it is for a while. Boil some water in the pot and put slice of meat and swish, 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 swish. Please use very thin meat. And this one is pork. So for reishabu, for cold shabu-shabu, I think pork meat is better. Then take it out from a pot and put it in the very cold water and cool it very well. Icy cold. I love cold shabu-shabu, reishabu in hot summer day. It's very appetizing. Please try. This cold shabu-shabu is very nice. Then take it out and drain water. Watery reishabu is not good. Please remove water very well. Put sliced onion on top of this hiyayakko tofu. Like this. And place pork shabu-shabu, reishabu. It's appetizing. But for shabu-shabu, you need some sauce. Today, I'm using gomadare, sesame seed sauce. Gomadare matches this reishabu. So nice. Okay. For garnish, sprinkle some green onion on top. So here is reishabu hiyayakko. So the next one is poke hiyayakko. So in this case, cut this tofu smaller than regular hiyayakko, smaller cube, like this, smaller cube. So, and put into smaller glass bowl like this. And today I use for poke this maguro, tuna, and cut into smaller cube too. I think it's smaller than regular poke. It's easy to eat. This sashimi is only 100 grams. So, cut into smaller cube, like this. Like this, and put into a bowl, and chop onion a little bit. You don't have to use so much onion. Little bit, and put into the bowl. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds, Hawaiian rock salt, sesame oil, little bit, and soy sauce. In this case, thicker taste is better. So, and combine very well. And if you have time, please rest these poke in the refrigerator about 30 minutes. Every flavor combine very well. And pour over this poke on tofu. It's like a poke bowl, tofu poke bowl, but I call it poke hiyayakko. And for the last, sprinkle some green onion. So, poke hiyayakko is ready. The last one is a little bit different. This way is, I think it's not standard, but it's my favorite way. When I was a child, hiyayakko was like this in my family. So for this case, I recommend farmer tofu, MOMEN tofu, and cut into cubes, smaller size, like this. And prepare ice water in a bowl, and put the tofu inside, and place some perilla leaves on top, Wow. When you eat this hiyayakko, take some tofu cubes from this bowl and put into the sauce and eat it. I'm using ponzu soy sauce today, but any kind of sauce is okay. 5 hiyayakko are ready. These are samples of making way. There is no strict rule for making hiyayakko, so please enjoy with your favorite way. So hope you guys enjoyed today's hiyayakko 5 ways. Next, I will use tofu for salad. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye!